So part 2. So this is part 2. Now this is the popping boba. And this is the slime. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I love it. Oops. Doesn't really go high up. It's only a little bit high, so I just buy this with money so I'm not in Americans. Everybody just gave me this money. Sorry, I just broke this. Okay, now let's do it. Oh my gosh, there's ant. Oh my god, I've seen it. Look, I've seen the black one. That's an ant. Goodbye. Okay, I will put it back. Okay, this is how I play slime right now. This is always my favorite world. So if we're going to part 3 to see a lot of my needles, say yes or no. I mean, if you want, oh yeah, no. Say yes or no from the comment. So comment yes or no to see all of my needles. So this is my baby manhood. This is Zara. This is what Bro, you're big. She can play on it. I let her borrow it. Zara, no? Okay. We love playing it with Zara. See, we're gonna do it like this because that's our favorite. Ayo! Oh no, there's dirty on it. Okay, bye guys. See you in part 3. Bye. Bye.